In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $600, $900, and $1,400 commissions over and over again with a done-for-you digital business in a box. And you get to keep 100% of the profit because this is not MLM. This is not multi-level marketing, network marketing. This is not affiliate marketing. So you don't have to split your commissions with anybody else. You get to keep 100% of the profit with master resell rights. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm a former Marine and a former monk. And now I help everyday men and women make seven figures online without having to work a job. So I started this business because I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of working for other people, and I got my pay cut, and I just wanted financial independence. That's why I started this business. Okay. So all you need to do with this business, you just got to get started. It's a one-time investment. Like I invested one time to start this business, but I've made multiple five figures. So I received my investment back and I've made profit multiple five figures. And yeah, you set up so one-time investment, okay? And then you purchase one of the programs, then you set up your business, you plug into our community for training and support, then you're following a 2-hour workday, doing simple things like posting content on social media, going live, building your email list, and then the email automations do the rest of the work for you. Okay, that's it. So if you want to learn more, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in my bio. Put in your email, check your spam and promotions folder for the word blueprint, and then reply to my emails if you have any questions. And yeah, and if you see an opportunity, there's a video you can watch. There's a couple of videos you can watch. There's a website. Check everything out. And if you have any questions, all you got to do is reply to my emails. Okay. So quick disclaimer, this is not like a get rich quick scheme. Okay. Results aren't typical. Everything is based on your effort. So don't be typical. Now I'm just going to share with you how this business looks. I'm going to share my screen and show you what it looks like. Okay. So when you start this business, you get a done for you digital marketing system. You get a sales funnel. Okay, so this is basically what the sales funnel looks like. Let me show you. So you have a capture page here. Okay, this is what you're doing. You're capturing people's emails. And our business is in English and Spanish. So you can change it from English and you can change it from Spanish. Okay. And then there's going to be videos to watch, right? There's videos like, here's me, right? There's videos from like, you get a video like this millionaire mentor who created this business. Her name is Michelle. She has these videos. So she created videos. So she's doing the selling for you. And you can also do what I did. You can put your own video in. Okay. You can make your own video. Just create a video on YouTube. Pretty simple to do, right? If you want to create your own video, you can also do that. Or like you can just use Michelle's video. So people are going to watch this video and the video is doing the selling for you. Okay. And then there's testimonies here. So this is how the sales funnel works, right? People put their email in, you're building your email list. Okay. And then once they're inside of your email automations, they're going to get emails from you every single day. We give you about 30 emails to start, which is more than enough to sell these programs, right? And then we also teach you how to do email marketing, how to, promote other offers inside of your email list as well. Okay. So they put their email in, they watch this video is doing the selling for you. And then it takes people here to your website. Now, this is where people can buy the products. So what are we selling? This is a business in a box. What are we selling? We're selling digital programs in the e-learning industry. Okay. So there's 10 income streams. Unlock 10 income streams today and earn 100% profit from a done-for-you digital business. So you get 5 in English and 5 in Spanish. So it's 10. So people can go here and buy one of the programs. $100, $300, $600, $900, or $1,400. That's how much the programs cost. Okay. And there's payment links. There's payment buttons all over the website. So they go here and they purchase. And as soon as they purchase, you get paid instantly. The payments go directly to you through your payment processor, like PayPal, Stripe, Square. We show you how to attach it to your website. So that's how you get paid, right? And then here's the website. How would an extra $1,400 per day change your life? So just imagine for a second, if you learn the skills that we teach and you attract a daily paying customer at $1,400, that's $42,000 a month and $511,000 a year. How would that help you? How would that change your life? Okay. And here's another video. So there's 3 videos from Michelle doing the selling for you. Okay. So she's doing the selling for you. You don't have to do the selling. You don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to do a presentation. Okay. You don't have to cold message people because she's doing the selling for you. Right. So we have 56,000 members plus inside of our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months, and we teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. So let's say you invest in this business. All you need is one sale and you get your investment back. And then everything after that is pure profit. Okay. So you keep 100% of the profits. This is what sets us apart. I'm showing you what the website looks like. You can just go to sevenfiguremonk.com and you can read through it yourself because the same system that I'm using is the same system that you get to use. Okay. I don't use some secret special system. It's the same system we both use the same system. Okay. and you become a licensed reseller of these programs. So we have a certification training you go through, you become a licensed reseller. Okay. The business is in Spanish and in English. Okay. And we also teach you how to use AI like ChatGPT to build your business. And then there's testimonies on the website. Okay. And this is your bio section. You put your picture in, you put your bio in, just like this is my picture. This is my bio. You put your picture in, you put your bio in. Okay. There's more things. I put some of my pictures in. You can change the pictures. If you want it more branded to yourself, you can put your pictures in, or you can just use the pictures that they give you. It's up to you. Okay. Here's me hanging out with Michelle. Okay. She created this program. She's made millions of dollars, and she teaches you inside of our community how to make millions of dollars as well. Right. So this is basically what the website looks like, more testimonies, right? So people can go to your website, they purchase the 14, the 900, the $1,400, the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. Okay. And also for you, if you want to join this business, you purchase one of the programs. Now, I invested in the $1,400 because that's the best and I deserve the best, and so do you. So the $1,400, if you purchase the $1,400 program, you get 10 income streams, right? So you can earn 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400, and you earn 100% profit. You can only earn at the level that you're at and below. Okay. So if you're at the $100 level, you can only earn at that level. Okay. And you can upgrade at any time. Like if you want to start at a lower level just to test out the business and you want to upgrade later, you can do that. Right. But you just gotta pay the difference of like, if you start at the 100 and you wanted to do the 300, then you just have to pay the $200 difference. Right. Plus you have to pay a website fee of $39 or $69 for the 1400. Okay. But every time you upgrade, you got to pay that website fee. So I wouldn't upgrade more than once because otherwise you have to keep paying that website fee and you have to keep setting up your business. So I wouldn't upgrade more than once if I was you, but you can do what you want. Right. And there's also payment plans. Okay. Available for not only you, but available for your customers as well, just so you know. Okay. And then you get all these bonuses, right? You get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. Okay. You get access to our community for free, where you get millionaire mentoring inside of our community. All right. You get daily millionaire mentoring and weekly live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners. Then you get to learn how to create your own community. You get a Canva crash course, My First Million in 17 Months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan to help you build your business. You get your invisible empire, faceless marketing. You get 200 digital product ideas, PDF workshop, a workbook. So you can learn how to create your own offers and market them. And yeah, more testimonies are here. Yep. So that's the website. Okay. And then there's frequently asked questions at the bottom. Like I said, you can go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Okay. Put your email in. You can check out the website. You can check out the sales funnel, and you can understand that the same funnel that I use is the same funnel that you get to use. Okay. So that's that. And once you purchase the program, you're going to have access to your program. You get immediate access. Not only do you get immediate access, but your customers get immediate access too when they purchase. So this is where your program is. So the program itself teaches you how to build an online business, teaches you how to do digital marketing, and teaches you how to build multiple streams of income. Okay, so all you do is you start here, and you basically just go in, you watch the videos. Okay, you watch the videos, and yeah, that's it. And then, like, for example, what are you going to learn? Phase 1, foundation, CEO mindset and clarity, becoming the leader of your business and setting it up for success. Okay, so you just go through, you watch the videos. Lifestyle, desired outcome, how to develop a winning mindset, your brand, what do you want to be known for? Like my brand is 7-Figure Monk. What am I known for? I help everyday men and women make 7 figures online without having to work a job. That's my message. Okay. And you have your income earning activities, the 2-hour workday, the 7-step framework for success. This is the kind of stuff you're going to be learning here, if this is something that interests you. Okay. And yeah. And then also you go back inside here, and then this is where your certification training, right? You got your certification training here. It's in English, it's in Spanish. Okay. You got your bonuses here. Okay. Your digital product ideas, all your bonuses are here. And then one of the first things you need to do is, if you want to make money reselling these programs, well, you got to set up your website. You set it up in English or Spanish or both. I have mine set up in both so I can market to both English and Spanish speaking people. So, right. You just got to go set up your website. You got to open up certain accounts. Okay. It shows you the accounts that you need to open up. There's videos. It's like a 2-minute video. And then, you gotta go to GoDaddy. You need a domain like 7figuremonk.com. That's my domain. So you need a professional domain, and you need a professional email address, which is super cheap. And there's 0 monthly fees with this business, by the way, 0 monthly fees. Okay. And then you got to attach your payment gateways like Square, Stripe, PayPal. You attach it to your website. That's how you receive payments. Then you just got to go through and you just watch these videos. It shows you how to connect everything, how to connect your system, how to get these pages set up. Okay, it's going to show you how to set up these pages, and there you go. Now, once you finish setting it up, then congratulations, because now you are an entrepreneur. Now you are a business owner. Now your business is set up and you're ready to promote your business. Okay. So, and there's also like if you don't want to set up your business yourself, we have tech support. We have a tech support team. They'll help you set up your business. Right. And then just let me show you the community. Okay. So let's go into the community. Let's go here. This is our main community, right? Okay, we have our main community. We have tech support calls if you need help with your website or whatever. Okay, so once you're brand new, what you want to do is just go in and introduce yourself. You can post wins, you can ask questions, right? Okay, and then you want to check out the pin post. This is going to tell you what's going on inside of the community. There's 57,000 people in our community, right? And then you go to the wins section, okay? And this is let me show you proof that people are making money by following our programs. Let me show you proof, right? Look at first sale, guys. Finally made my first sale today for $1,400. Okay, $1,400 sale, and very excited for what is unfolding. Keep believing, everyone, and showing up, right? Made a first sale for $1,400, guys. $1,400 in one day, one sale, 100% profit, right? Can you beat that in other opportunities? Doubtful, guys. It's so much better to do high ticket marketing, because if you're doing low ticket marketing, you need a big audience. Either you need a big audience or you have to do a lot of paid ads. Okay. And that's how you're successful. All right. Okay. So here's another one. Sale, 120 bucks. Boom. Okay. Let's see. Another $1,400 sale there we go. I am blown away at the success I'm having thus far on this program. I mean, I am literally living my life while sales come in. I also feel like I'm really helping people change their worlds and the possibilities they can create with this program. There's no limit to our successes. Yeah, there's no limit, guys. The only limits you have are the ones you put on yourself. Your limiting beliefs are the only limits that you have. If you don't have limiting beliefs, then you don't have any limits. Okay, $1,300 since Friday. Boom. Okay, it's a global business too, guys. You can get customers from any part of the world. Okay, so there's 30 posts per page, and we have about 33,000 pages of wins. So we have over 900,000 wins, guys, inside of our community. Now, people post anything. They could post whatever. Like, here's her win. She talked about setting up her YouTube channel. Okay, that's her win. So people can post wins about anything. And then if you go into our classroom, not only do you get training in the program, but you get bonus training in our classroom. So you go here, you watch this getting started part, okay? Then we have these 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. Like, you watch a little video. Like,
vote for a better life. And that's what you're really sharing with the Legacy Builders program. You're selling a path, not just a program.
You're selling a path, not just a program. So you're going to get training every single day from a millionaire. Okay. And then mentors, Zoom replays. You got social media training. You got a 30-day momentum map. You got a content vault. You got mindset training. Okay. All these bonus trainings. And if you go to the calendar, this shows you when we have our next live events. Our next one is a tech call, because we're getting to the end of the month. So if we go to the next month, we're going to have millionaire mentoring. We're going to have all these trainings. Okay. System welcoming new customers, right? There you go. All right. So like I said, all you got to do is, purchase one of the programs, set up your business, plug into the community. Then you're following the 2-hour workday. You just got to post content online, go live. You're building your email list, and then the automations are doing the rest of the work for you. Okay. So let me give you an example. Let me give you an example of like how I post content, right? Let me go like on YouTube. Okay. I just went live. So let me go here. Here's my YouTube channel, right? So I post long form videos, like videos that are over in 10 minutes. I do those videos, and then I do shorts. Okay, I do short form videos, like videos that are like, 3 minutes or less. Okay. 3 minutes or less, videos that are 3 minutes or less. Now that can be like, a 7-second video with words on the screen. It can be a talking video. Okay. That's basically what I do. I create 7-second videos. I put words on the screen. Right? I'm speaking to my perfect customer. I'm taking them through the buyer's journey. That's basically what you're doing with your content, and you're going to learn how to do that. And then, I go live I like to go live on TikTok and YouTube simultaneously, so people can rewatch my lives. And then I do like these written posts too. Like, I'll create a little like motivational post. This is like a motivational post. Okay. This is like proof that people are making money. This is proof. Like, I posted a win from inside of our community. Okay. Here's another motivational post, right? Here's like, yeah, to create all these different little images. I use like AI and ChatGPT to create these images. So that's basically it. So I showed you everything. If you want to get started, if you're ready to, do this business, just give it a shot, because either you win and you make thousands or millions of dollars, because people inside of our community have made thousands or millions of dollars with this program. So it is possible. I've made thousands so far myself. So either you win and make a lot of money or you learn something new. That's the worst thing. The worst thing is you spend a little bit of money. Okay, you're going to spend that money anyways. So you spend a little bit of money and you learn something new. That's the worst possible thing that can happen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. So make sure you like this. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with somebody who needs it. If you know somebody who's struggling financially, they're dealing with financial stress and they don't know how to get out of it, then just share this video with them. All right. Otherwise, have a great day and I'll see you on the next one. God bless.